Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Auto Chess Mobile. First, let's cover the basics. Your main goal is to strategically assemble an army of powerful units to outlast 7 other players in a series of 1 versus 1 battles. The game takes place on an 8x8 chessboard. Each round consists of 3 distinct phases: a preparation phase for unit management, a combat phase where your units fight automatically, and a post-combat phase for rewards and planning. Mastering these fundamentals is key to your success. Next, let's dive into unit management and synergies. In the shop, you'll spend your gold to recruit new units, with 5 fresh options appearing every round. A crucial mechanic is upgrading units. Combine 3 identical 1-star units to form a stronger 2-star version, and 3 2-star units for a formidable 3-star unit. Activating powerful synergy bonuses is vital. These occur when you field multiple units from the same race or class, granting significant stat boosts or unique abilities to your entire army. Now, let's talk about mastering your in-game economy. Gold is your primary resource, earned through various methods like winning rounds, maintaining losing streaks, and accumulating interest. A key strategy is interest. For every 10 gold you save, you earn 1 additional gold per round, up to a maximum of 5 bonus gold at 50 gold. Balancing saving for interest versus spending to upgrade your army or refresh the shop is a critical decision that will heavily influence your late-game power. Finally, let's discuss strategic positioning and some advanced tips. Proper unit placement on the 8x8 board is paramount. Generally, position your tanky melee units in the front lines to absorb incoming damage and protect your more fragile damage dealers. Ranged units and support characters should be placed safely in the back rows to maximize their output. Always observe your opponent's boards and adapt your unit compositions and positioning to counter their strategies, ensuring you stay ahead in the competition.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.